Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a multiple currency store. So for that you need to check the options that you have in theme. You have to enable the option from somewhere around these settings. So this might not be available with all the themes, but you need to enable these selectors in order to enable the currency in your store. Further, you have to go to the settings at the bottom left and then go to markets. Since I have only Indian market, which is the reason I see the INR currency in here, and in order to add the more currencies you have to activate the market. So I have this international market which is not active right now, so I'm going to enable this market, and then in my product and pricing I'm going to enable this option, show prices to customer in their local currency. So when someone from their location switch currencies, then they'll see the product prices in their local currencies. So save this setting and then hard refresh this page. So once you refresh it, you will see the option on the top here. So it's USD. So if you refresh the page and see the product pricing, it's switched to USD. If you switch any other currency, let's say Canadian dollar, then it's gonna change in that. If you select any other currency, let's say euro, then it is changing. That's how you enable the currencies in your store. Basically it comes from the markets. You need to add the countries in the market to have the option for all the currencies that you have. So you can edit the market, you can select the countries from here, and you will have the currencies on the front end for all the countries that you've checked for. So that's how you do the currency activation in your Shopify store. Thank you so much.